Third virtue, and Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he said, there is a surah in the Quran consisting of only 30 ayat. It will intercede on behalf of its companion until it leads him into the paradise. And I want you to imagine a person being held, carried and dragged to Jahannam, full of shortcomings, and you are not included in the mercy of Allah. And so this surah begins to khasim, it begins to defend and argue on your behalf. Oh Allah, He used to recite me every night, and you're still being pulled and dragged. And it will say, oh Allah, He used to cry when He used to recite me and reflect upon its wisdoms and meanings. And He would recite it and reflect upon your greatness. And oh Allah, it reminded him of being grateful to, as you'll see this message in the surah, and it'll continue to stand by you. It will not run away from you. This is what the word khasamat suggests, that you're going somewhere and this surah is defending, continues to put a good word, doesn't stop. But it does that for its companion.